GazeBox. Why should a garage occupy significant space? Here's an alternative that you can install even in limited spaces. While providing protection for your car in any season, this garage is available in various versions and can double as a GazeBox if needed. The construction is primarily made of steel and cellular polycarbonate, offering protection against ultraviolet light, wind, rain, and snow. The garage can be opened manually or remotely, and some versions include a door. The design allows excellent airflow and additional options such as lighting system. Solar panels or colored film upgrades are available for purchase. Matter Architecture Garage Project. Here's what appears to be a movie set from films like A Taxi or Transporter. In fact, a genuine garage system situated in Auckland, New Zealand. Executed by Mata Collective, renowned for their innovative architectural solutions and residential design. This project involved transforming a previous bedroom space. The design is configured a section of the building, fortifying the resulting niche, installing a car lift, and creating two-car garage while preserving the original facade. Remarkably, even a fence retained its original appearance, albeit with the addition of motorization. Autostacker Parking Lift. A two-car lift is a popular and practical solution, and this particular model can support up to 6,000 pounds. Available in various versions, it is described by its creator as elegant, safe, intuitive, capable of lifting about 55 seconds. The design incorporates several patented solutions, including the Door Sentry door protection system made of special rubber to prevent accidental scratches and dents. Additionally, the platform itself is patented. This type of car is not only suitable for private use but also for commercial application, such as a car in museums and exhibitions. The company offers the creation of photorealistic models of spaces, equipped with these lifts upon request, requiring only the submission of room layout. GazeBox two-wheeler multi-parking system. This system proves to be invaluable in places where motorcycles and scooters are widely used, offering a significant reduction in parking space requirements by accommodating two bikes in a single spot. Developed in India, this system combines ease of operation with reliability, utilizing hydraulic drive technology to lift or lower the scooter in just 15 seconds. The height reaches 6.5 feet from the ground. The manufacturer emphasizes the system's simplicity in installation and maintenance. Additionally, it boasts safety features such as mechanical interlock in the event of power failure or emergency. Furthermore, the system can be flexibly adjusted, with a version available for personal use. IdealPark. Why build a conventional garage when you can conceal your car underground? That's precisely the solution proposed by the creators of this lift. These options stand out for various reasons. Firstly, its upper part can be adorned with a variety of decorative material. Secondly, the capacity ranges from 5,953 to 7,716 pounds, depending on a version. And thirdly, the lift is equipped with a set of solutions by IdealPark. Thanks to the combination of laser scanners, radar, and infrared barriers, There's no need for safety barriers around the platform. The control system is highly advanced, featuring a fingerprint scanner, automation of many options, the remote maintenance. This solution will be particularly appealing to those who wish to preserve the aesthetic view of their garden without compromising on functionality. Trutegra Crane Automation. Some time ago, a boat storage system was implemented in the American resort city of Fort Lauderdale. Initially, the system employed a special crane to move boats, but encountered a challenge. The boat swayed significantly, impeding maintenance, loading and unloading operation, and posing a risk of damage. This issue was successfully addressed with the integration of equipment utilizing no-sway technology. Thanks to a user-friendly touchscreen interface and innovative technology, boats can now be moved more swiftly without swinging or making contact with other boats. Moreover, the upgraded equipment allows for more boats to be accommodated in the same space, providing an added benefit given the high cost of land and real estate. Cardok Turntable 360, introducing a revolutionary platform that eliminates the hassle of complicated maneuvers. With its 360-degree rotation capability, it signifies significantly driving your car into a garage or parking lot and facilitates easy retrieval. The platform boasts a carrying capacity starting from 6,600 pounds, and its diameter spans of 16.5 feet. It can be customized upon request and is suitable for both indoor and outdoor installation. Powered by a 1.5 kilowatt motor, the platform is controllable via a special panel or remote control. A full turn takes approximately 1 minute, and it's designed to withstand temperatures from -13 to up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. For a more aesthetically pleasing appearance, it can be covered with asphalt or paving stones. AJ Automated Parking System. Moving on to a parking system from South Korea, the manufacturer provides various options, including a parking tower that can be customized to meet customer preferences. Leveraging the manufacturer's extensive experience in parking solution, all variants boast low noise and vibration levels, along with a comprehensive protection system and a secure exit system. One showcase parking facility in the video accommodates 257 cars. The parking process is simplified, requiring the use of a special card. Additional data can be entered through a touchscreen if needed, and the computer autonomously locates and retrieves the correct platform, allowing car owners to relax with a coffee or check their email in the meantime. Solar-powered retractable car garage. Introducing a garage that conveniently fits into a parking space with ease. As displayed on your screen, this solar-powered model user-friendly, easy to install, and remarkably reliable. Capability to withstand 330 to 440 pounds of snow. Constructed with a combination of carbon fiber, fiberglass, nylon, and high-strength PVDF membranes. The garage base is crafted from high-quality stainless steel. The manufacturer offers various models with a most compact measuring 18 by 8.2 by 5.57 feet. All options provide protection against wind, dust, UV light, precipitation, and include an anti-theft feature. The structure's service life is estimated at 30 years. Folding box garages, presenting a protective system crafted by German artisans to shield your vehicle from both precipitation and thieves. Constructed from aluminum, this system features a sliding design that ensures compactness. Resembling an electrical cabinet from the inside, it provides ample space for your motorcycle, tools and supplies. Equipped with side grills for ventilation, it offers flexibility for installation as either a freestanding box or wall-mounted one. The manufacturer provides two sizes, assuring compatibility with various bikes, from road to dirt bikes, encompassing all popular brands. Vertical Rotary Car Parking System. Chinese engineers showcased their innovative rotary parking system, designed for the public use, well suited for conditions of high-density urban environment. Activated by a control system, the mechanism allows for the rotation of the structure, clockwise or counterclockwise depending on the model. With a capacity to accommodate 6 to 12 cars, its compactness makes it easy deployable in yards. However, despite its advantages such as convenient control system, it's noteworthy that this solution isn't widely adopted, mainly due to concerns about its noise level and higher energy consumption compared to the other types. Evolution Parking System. This US company presents its brainchild as the next generation parking solution, seamlessly transforming one parking spot into two with a simple turn of a key, ideal for expanding parking in tight spaces, such as hospitals and hotels. This system requires no construction workers for installation. Noteworthy for its comfortable and safe design, the upper platform takes just 60 seconds to lower. With its rotation capability, accessing the upper level is made easy. Although the maximum car height is limited to 9.5 feet at the lower level and 5 feet at the upper level, the system spans 8.7 feet in width, and the manufacturer emphasizes its successful design, creating an attractive aesthetic.